August 21st, 2025. Let me show y'all the trade I took real quick. We had a 4-hour fair value gap here, 15-minute range here that got formed within tapping into that 4-hour gap. So I'm anticipating that we're going to come down lower. We had our push up. We had news push us up. So let's see if we can continue lower. If not, it's just another losing day in the books. I've already accepted my risk for today. Just made a whole video. Nothing was recorded. August 21st, 2025. Let's get straight to the main screen. What do we have here? Same thing. We have a weekly range high, weekly range low, previous week high, previous week low. Mark that out. I was anticipating sales today just because of the fact of how the daily looked. We go to the daily. We had our daily range that we swept the top, that we tested twice. So we created a nice little resistance here. So I was anticipating that we're probably going to come down to this fair value gap, which we did. And we ended up tapping into a deeper fair value gap on the 4-hour and I believe on the 6-hour and on the 6-hour as well. So what was I looking for off this? Well, we closed below this low to the left right here. But I wasn't paying attention to here. This was just a range inside this range low, which I should have paid attention to. We should have closed below this low that ended up making this new high. It's fine. What happened is I go to the 1-hour, I see this gap, go to the 4-hour, I see this gap, go to the 15. I see this gap, 10 a.m. hits, we push up, 10:45 hits, we push up a little higher, tapping a little deeper into this order block up here from London session. What do? We end up closing within this range here on the 15. So I was anticipating that we were going to come down and sweep out this range, which we did right here. So what did we end up doing? We ended up taking some sells. We ended up taking some sells on this push down right here. So I got in off of this candle at 10:30 where we pushed down a little bit. I got in right here at the bottom, or like I got in right here on this candle right here. We ended up pushing down about 62 ticks and then we came all the way back up and then we had to move down for 107 ticks. I did not think we were going to come all the way back up. I was wrong. There was a 30-minute CISD here, 15-minute CISD here, and a 5-minute CISD here that held. So what happened? I went break even at 100 ticks. We ended up getting taken out. It's good that we went break even because we would have got stopped out for our full stop loss if we would have held this trade. So we had a 107 tick move down and we came right back up. We were about 13 ticks away from TP, which was about 120. We ended up going break even on this trade, and then price just ended up doing its thing for the next couple hours. So we ended up coming down all the way after, and eventually we did end up hitting TP on this position, but I would have had to put up about 70 ticks in order for me to. So today was just a break even day. It is what it is. We can't control what the market does. On this trade, I was getting a bit emotional because I did not want to lose today because I have lost the last last 3 days. Let me pull up my journal. All right, so here's my journal. Last week we had an amazing week, and then this week we kind of just shit the bed. We lost 1.1k on Monday. This was off those my first initial 3 accounts. Lost on ES, break even day as well. We ended up going break even on that day, and then we ended up getting 2 more accounts, which is why you see these volumes of 1.3, 1.7. The losses weren't as big as Monday. It's just we have more accounts now on these 2 days, and then today we went break even. So now, the accounts are same drawdown as yesterday. Pull it up. Yeah, we have 817, 812, and 1300. So I mean, we can work with that. I've been at the lowest was 300, so I'm not even tripping. But yeah, I mean, that was a trading day for today. It is what it is. We took a loss. Our bias was right. We just ended up getting taken out break even. We were close to TP. It is what it is. We tried to go for our 1 to 2. It didn't work out. So that is it for today. That is the trading day, man. It is what it is. Can't control what the market does, bro. But all glory to God. God is first. Remember that. And yeah, I'm going to post this soon. August 21st, 2025, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Follow the socials below, bro. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Peace, dude. And dudettes.